In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Hubspot API in just 5 minutes. Hubspot's application programming interface, or API, is a powerful tool that allows you to seamlessly connect your apps and automate an array of processes within the Hubspot CRM. Through this API, you can read, write, and perform actions spanning from managing contacts to sending marketing emails, automating workflows, and even crafting custom dashboards and reports. Let's dive right into how you can get started. Firstly, one of the most practical uses of the Hubspot API is managing contacts within your CRM. Imagine having the ability to efficiently create, read, update, or delete contact records programmatically, which means less manual data entry and more accurate real-time data management. By leveraging these capabilities, you can ensure your team has access to up-to-date customer information at all times. Next, the API offers a structured way to track companies and deals, enabling you to keep tabs on where each potential transaction stands in your pipeline. This feature lets you programmatically monitor deals, predict closings, and adjust strategies as needed, all while maintaining an overview of the interactions your team has had with different companies over time. Sending marketing emails can also be automated via the HubSpot API, allowing you to reach your audience more effectively without the constant need for manual intervention. By programmatically setting up marketing campaign parameters and scheduling email sends, you can ensure your messages are consistently aligned with your customer's journey. When it comes to automation, workflows are the magic ingredient. With the API, you can design sophisticated sequences of operations that trigger based on certain conditions or events, extending the scope of what is possible within HubSpot by allowing seamless inter-app integration. In addition, creating custom dashboards and reports is made simple with HubSpot's API. This functionality lets you visualize your data in personalized ways, tailoring reports to your specific business needs and enabling your team to make informed, data-driven decisions. Further enhancing its capability, HubSpot's API enables easy connections with other tools. This means your CRM won't operate in isolation, but as a powerful hub connected with all the other software you use, fostering a more synchronized and efficient workflow. Now, to start using the HubSpot API, you'll need your API key, which serves as your unique access code. Log into your HubSpot developer account and head to the Apps section in the left sidebar. In the upper right corner, you'll see the option to get HubSpot API key. Click on it, then proceed to hit Show and Copy to secure your API key. Remember that maintaining the confidentiality of your API key is crucial to securing your data and preventing unauthorized access. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to harnessing the powerful capabilities of the HubSpot API, transforming how your organization manages data, communicates, and operates at a fundamental level.